What's up, guys? Welcome back. Part 2. Back in the Subaru here. We're back at it again with the homie Trevor. Trippy Trip in the building. As you can see, he has already been started working on this. See, he didn't even sleep, so he stayed here. He's still up and going. But yeah, guys, we're still going at it. He got the first strut in there. His first time messing with the strut here. And he's actually doing a pretty good job. Pretty simple. Yeah, so guys, we got the strut. We're gonna put the other strut on. We end up coming in a bad situation. Hold back. Raceland did not provide any
quarter female
fittings to connect the steel braided lines into the air lines of the airlift. So he had to order some from Airlift. It should be here in 2 days, so we'll be probably back in the end 2 days. But everything should be on, ready to go. So when those fittings get here, we're bagging this thing. First air out. And then once we get that, and then we start cutting fenders.
Yep.
It's going to be so exciting, guys. So yeah, guys, stay tuned because I got a big surprise coming for this car right here. We ended up doing a little vlog for it that we posted after these videos. So yeah, guys, subscribe, comment down below. Let us know what you guys think, man. We're super excited to have you guys back in the garage here with the boys.
Yeah.
But now, guys, we got some suspension to do here. So let's get to this before we waste any more daylight. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys haven't followed us on Instagram, we're always on Instagram. Hit us up, Trippy Trev, RS, Stance Addicts. You know, let's get it. If you guys want to keep updated on our rides, we always post stuff on the Stance Addicts page. But yeah, guys, I feel like we need to start this and less talking, more working, you know. But I love to see Trevor work. But yeah, guys, look at this. So what we got here is a first air strut from Raceland. If you guys want to see more detail about these bags struts, we have a video unboxing these, and go check them out. We give the full detail on these prices and everything. We're thinking about week max this thing should be on stands.
1 week.
And hopefully we get this thing aired out ASAP. Yesterday we didn't do much, but just put the front suspension in. We were gonna do vlogging, but we just got stuck, and I don't know, we were just frustrated, you know. But we're back at it again. We got the new struts in here. Check it out. There it is. Suspension is gonna go in today. This guy's working on it, and I'm working on the setup back here. You guys can see. We mounted on the. We're gonna mount the compressors on. I got the fittings. Check it out. I got the fittings plugged in where they need to go. Back here, compressor's gonna go right there, and yeah, pretty much plug and play at this point. And hopefully, air out soon. You know, let's install this, and then I'll get back at you guys once all this is set up. You know, so that way the video's not too long, and you guys get straight to the points here. Check out Trevor over there. Doesn't even say hi to the vloggers.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
But he's carrying his rare struts right now.
Yeah.
The new ones are here, guys. That the allergies is so bad in here, man. I don't know why.
I think it's all the dust and dirt.
I think it's Trevor's car, bro. We're probably just allergic to it.
It's sooty, yeah.
Probably all that wet shit that was down there, huh?
I don't know.
Probably like
stinky
mold
ass.
and shit. We're probably dying.
Yeah, my car has a stinky ass.
I was literally like coughing blood.
What? What? No, you weren't.
All right, boys, check it out. After a big struggle on mounting these compressors, we finally got it done here. How we usually do it in the past, well, actually just Peter's. We learned it from our brothers is that these teeth nuts here, these teeth nuts, we use wood glue on them so they could actually stay on the board, because we had that issue with Flacco's first time. These things will pop off the board when you're trying to bolt it in. Easy. And we just had that right now, 2 of them. And that's why we recommend having wood glue on them. It's pretty much ready to go.
Oh yeah, dude.
All we gotta do is just put in our manifold in the center, put the water traps and all that good stuff, and then the wiring should be the easy part. But other than that, guys, let us know in the comments what you guys think. This is like the first step of being bagged.
I know.
Look, this is just the mechanical of it, you know?
This is basically the headache. Is mainly right here.
Yeah. Boys, we're in here putting the water trap in here, right here. It's gonna go. It's gonna sit right here. You guys can see I'm in Trevor's trunk. I'm like compatible in here. I'm like a bite-sized sneaker, you know? Fun size actually. Okay, boys, we gotta concentrate on this one. It's right there.
Yeah.
This, boys. Here, now we gotta put a hose from here to the water trap, and then from the water trap is gonna go into the fucking shit. The manifold.
No.
Hose here to over here. Hose from here to here, and then from here to down there.
Oh, to down here.
Yes. All right, guys, we're gonna put the airline, 3/8 airline, onto the. I don't know what this fucking is, but this fitting here, and then it's gonna go into the water trap here. Here. So from there, it's kind of tight, but. All right, boys. Now we got the air hoses in here, zip tied down, because we don't want it to get kinked. But they're all gonna go through here, you know. But look at this; it's coming along pretty good. What do you think, Trevor?
It's coming along great.
Yeah, I'm liking it.
I'm loving it. McDonald's.
Sick, bro.
Shout out to McDonald's.
All right, let's get it. Now we gotta plug in we're gonna plug in the air hoses to the manifold, and then go with the compressors, and it pretty much should be almost ready. All right, boys, we got Mario in the motherfucking building.
What's going on, dude? Check it out. You
It's
guys have
about
put in work.
time he shows up in here, dude.
Bro, you guys are freaking fast.
Damn. What do you think? Thoughts? Give the viewers the thoughts, bro.
Well, freaking motivation to one day be on this channel with some bags.
For real. Hold on.
The installer right here just putting in that work.
You gotta introduce yourself first. Turn it around and be like, yo, what's up, people?
Oh, shit.
Good, bro.
I'm new to this shit, man.
Get it.
What's... Damn, I freaking suck at this shit.
Well, we can cut it. So just ready, go.
Check it out. We got the
You even got the voice and shit.
we got the manifold already freaking drilled into the floor. Now we just gotta cut the airlines up and slide them in the slots. Got everything here bundled up under the seat here. You can see the relays here already connected.
Hey, how'd you put those there?
Cut them up, splice them, and then put them together with these I don't know what these are called.
Cell shrink wraps.
Cell shrink wrap thingies.
Heat gunned it.
Yeah, but everything else has to run straight to the battery. Boys, this is the last piece here that I know of.
The hoses.
Yep. Everything else just goes and boom, plug and play.
And Trippy Trev RS
And-
is bagged.
Yep.
What's up, man? It's Paulie D in the freaking house. All right, we're just here to freaking get Trevor's reaction and see how he's feeling on these bags.
I'm pretty freaking happy right now.
Oh yeah, and it's also his birthday, guys. So
today's
throw
my
it down in the
birthday.
comments. It's fucking. He still looks
22.
like a baby.
22 years old.
Birthday to Trippy Trev in the building.
All right, we got Peanut in the building. All I know is George right here is putting in that work, man.
Have to, bro. You gotta get this.
Look at this setup. Let me show you guys that rear. Stansatic bag install right here. You need to put that emblem in that bag in that tank, bro.
Sure.
I don't know if George has done the sneak peek already, but I'm gonna do it for him. There's a box right there. I don't know. Hey, did you reveal it already, George?
What?
Your surprise?
Will be out before this one.
It's not out yet. All right, I gave you guys a sneak peek of what's going on. The
So
big
this one's
big
gonna go
boxes.
Front left, right? This one's front left. Front left. There it is.
And that's how you connect the boys,
Yep. And then we need
just like that.
front right, which is this. Front right. Yeah, because the other one's right here. Okay.
Como si nada. Didn't even measure the motherfucker. Here he knows what to do.
This is all freestyle. Since the beginning.
Then you can do a 10-second montage, bro, on how to bag a car.
For real, huh?
Just for the freaking editor, the installer, the freaking famous one.
I do it all, way.
What else do you want from freaking George? Damn, look at that, boys.
And now we need this one to here. And then air out.
And then that will be in the next video, boys.
Alright, boys, we got all the airlines in. Finally, this boy is ready to get back, boys. Look, everything running in here. Show them from the front. See if you can see any of this shit. Okay.
Airlift.
Airlift, motherfuckers. We did it. And that's just temporary. You know that spot right there? He's gonna later on do some upgrades, hardline upgrades. And it's gonna look better than this. Huh? But this is just for now, just to get it bagged and the show. What do you think?
When's the show? Next week?
Next week?
Next week.
Next weekend? You ain't gonna
Chalet?
We're fucking going. The Mustang's always ready to
Hell
go.
yeah, boy.
That's what happens when you're static, you know? I'm just kidding.
For real, you get to grab it off the bat. I'm like Trevor, look at Trevor going freaking outside now. So I think
Well, who's
next
gonna be
week-
hitting? Who's gonna be scraping?
Trevor. This is it, way.
I know.
Look at his freaking face. He's turning more pale, way.
He is
I'm
pale as
surprised,
hell.
Bro, I'm surprised.
He's dying. I think he's dying. He's
I'm literally dying to see this.
Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll never miss a Stan Status video again. Like that, boys. Stay safe, stay positive, keep grinding, work hard, bros, because you guys will get it. 2021 is gonna be hard. Shout out to all Addictive Riders, all the subscribers, followers who keep supporting the team, and hopefully we come out even stronger by the end of the year. And want to see Mario and Brian bagged this year. Alright guys, see you guys later. Peace.